Yeah, Dr. Castleman, I'm sure you hear it with the patients you treat, but we hear it all the time, whether it's in a store or even out amongst friends or colleagues, that I just don't have time. I mean, do you get that excuse a lot with your patients?
Yeah, and I think that's a reasonable excuse to some extent. We have busy lives, right? We have work, we have family, we have to juggle all these things. So taking care of yourself sometimes takes a backseat. The more easy we can make it for our patients, fitting it in, so we can work on protecting their sleep, getting the exercise they need, getting the stress reduction they need, right? We want it to be convenient for them.
And that's what we try to teach here, is that it doesn't have to be 90 minutes on a treadmill. It can be a quick 15-minute walk between certain elements in your life that day. If you try to go to a gym, no knock on gyms, but you're going to spend probably 15 minutes just getting prepped to get out the door, 20 minutes or longer in commute time, 15 minutes once you get to the gym to get changed into your workout stuff, get out on the floor, come back, another 15 minutes to get out of your stuff, get back in the car, you're talking about an hour to get in maybe a 30-minute workout. So there's a 90-minute time crunch right there.
Yeah.
Whereas here, you just basically jump into your shoes and your shorts and you're on the machine in less than 5 minutes. So that's making it easy for people in a time-crunched world that we live in.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. And I would also say, those home workouts, even if they are 20 minutes, they make the gym workout so much more impactful.
Yeah.
Because if you go in there and you're primed and you're in reasonable shape, that hour you spend at the gym can actually be so much more useful.
Absolutely.